MGX isn't just for AI coding. It's also a pro-level data analysis powerhouse. This is all thanks to our data analyst agent, David. You can chat with him just like you would a human analyst. He understands your business questions, guides you through your data, uncovers hidden insights, and gives you solid data-backed support for your decisions. Getting started is easy. Just upload your data, or even just tell David to grab it from a place like Kaggle. For instance, I'm just going to give David a Kaggle link and my account info. Then, I'll ask him to grab the data set and run an analysis. First, summarize the overall performance. Then, do a deep dive comparison across different stores and departments. And finally, provide some actionable growth suggestions and a sales forecast. After waiting for just a few minutes, the agent completes all the heavy lifting, from the analysis reports to the data visualization charts. And there you have it. David has finished the analysis, the high-level overview, the deep dive comparisons, and the decision support. Everything you need is already organized and beautifully visualized for you. There's no longer a need to master complex BI tools or endure long waits for analysis reports. With MGX, you are empowered to communicate directly with your data. Now, making data-driven decisions is no longer just a slogan. It's a practical reality. Try it now at mgx.dev.